Dropshipping is like running a shop, but without the stockroom. You list products online. When a customer buys from you, you don't need to worry about having the product in stock. Instead, you buy it cheaper from a supplier. This means you can offer a wide range of products without the upfront costs of purchasing inventory. The supplier then ships it directly to the customer. You never handle the product yourself. This allows you to focus on marketing and customer service. Imagine. No need to store boxes, your home or office remains clutter-free, and you don't need to rent expensive warehouse space. No need to pack and ship. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Less risk, more reward. Dropshipping is popular because it's easy to start. You can set up an online store quickly and begin selling products without a large initial investment. You don't need lots of money. Even with a small budget, you can start a dropshipping business and scale it as you grow. You can test different products to see what sells best. This flexibility allows you to adapt to market trends and customer preferences. But remember, competition is high. Many people are trying to succeed in dropshipping, so you need to find ways to stand out. You need to be smart and work hard. Success in dropshipping requires dedication, strategic planning, and continuous learning. But with the right approach, it can be a highly rewarding venture. TikTok is not just for dancing videos anymore. Now you can sell things directly on TikTok. It's called TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is great for dropshipping. It's easy to use. Millions of people use TikTok every day. Think of all the potential customers. You can make short, fun videos about your products. People can buy directly from your video. No need to leave the app. TikTok Shop is still new. This means less competition for you. It's a great time to start. Setting up your TikTok shop is super easy. In just a few steps, you can have your online store up and running, ready to reach millions of potential customers. First, you need a TikTok account. If you don't have one, download the app and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Then, switch to a business account. This will give you access to all the tools you need to manage your shop effectively. Now you can apply for TikTok shopping. Fill out the application form with accurate information to get approved quickly. Fill out your shop details, add your payment information. This ensures you can receive payments seamlessly. Choose the products you want to sell. Make sure they align with your brand and appeal to your target audience. That's it. Make sure your shop looks good. A visually appealing shop can attract more customers and increase sales. Use nice pictures and videos. Write clear descriptions. High-quality visuals and detailed descriptions help customers make informed decisions. People should understand what you're selling. Clear and concise descriptions can reduce customer queries and improve satisfaction. Once your shop is ready, start promoting your products. Make engaging videos. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Run ads if you want to reach more people. Ads can help you target specific demographics and increase your shop's visibility. Section 4. Picking winners, products that sell. Choosing the right products is crucial for dropshipping success, but with so many options, it can feel overwhelming. Think about what's trending. What are people talking about on TikTok? Look at your own interests. What do you know a lot about? Research your competition. What are they selling? Can you offer something unique or better? Focus on products with high demand. These are products that people are actively looking for. And avoid products with lots of competition. Section 5. TikTok, marketing, go viral. TikTok is all about entertainment. It's a platform where creativity and fun take center stage. Your videos need to be fun and engaging. The more entertaining your content, the more likely it is to be shared. People should want to watch them. Capturing the audience's attention within the first few seconds is crucial. Use trending sounds and hashtags. These elements can significantly boost your video's visibility. This will help people find your videos. Collaborate with other creators to tap into their audience base. This can expose your products to a wider audience. Influencer partnerships can be particularly effective. Run ads to target specific audiences. TikTok's ad platform allows for precise targeting. You can target people based on their interests, demographics, and even their location. This ensures your content reaches the right people. Don't be afraid to experiment. Trying new things can help you discover what resonates best with your audience. Try different video styles and content formats. From challenges to tutorials, variety can keep your audience engaged. See what works best for your products and your audience. Analyzing performance metrics can provide valuable insights. Most importantly, be patient and consistent. Regular posting helps maintain audience interest and engagement. It takes time to build a following and make sales. Stay dedicated, and your efforts will pay off in the long run.